Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, a very warm welcome to you too. Thanks so much for chilling with H today. For breakfast today, we're doing some fried okra with potato, or fried okra and aloo as we say here in Trinidad. And I'm also making flaxseed sada roti. So that's another recipe that's coming up, so you can check it out right after this one. I hope that you will enjoy it, but I'm going to show you how I do fried okra and aloo, or fried okra and potato. Some people call it okra in some countries, but we call it okra here in Trinidad, and it's actually very good for you. You can do your research online and you would see it's really a nutritious and delicious vegetable. Nutrition is what we aim for, and I hope you will enjoy today's recipe. So let's get started. Just a gentle reminder to check the description box below for the list of ingredients. Fresh ingredients are always tastier and more nutritious, and the vital energies are still very much present in the vegetables, which makes the food a lot healthier. I'm picking some fresh, gorgeous red cherry peppers from our kitchen garden. They are not very hot but add a nice flavorful zing. I'm also using about 14 fresh okras, thanks to my relative for dropping it from his garden. You can check out his YouTube channel, Lal Boy's Video and Editing. In some countries, okra or okra come in different sizes, so gauge how many you need from the produce that's available to you. It's a good idea to wash the okras the night before and dry properly, or you can wipe each one with a damp cloth. Cut off the ends and slice thinly. You can use a cutting board on which you can cut up everything. I'm comfortable this way. Wash and peel the potatoes and give a rinse again, and pat dry with paper towel before cutting up. Try to keep everything as dry as possible to reduce the gooey substance oozing from the okras. In Trinidad, some folks slice the okras and leave them in the sunlight to air dry. This makes for a more crispy fry. Heat a pot and add the oil. When bubbles appear, add in the puran, that is, the onion, garlic and peppers. Cook until it turns light brown. Add the okras and potatoes and stir around. I know you might think the oil is a lot, but it's necessary to get a nice crispy fried okra. Let it cook undisturbed for at least 5 to 8 minutes on medium heat. Now stir. Add salt to taste and stir again. Cover and let it cook until the potatoes are tender. You can check by cutting a piece of the potato with your spoon. Turn off the heat and serve with your favorite roti. I'm having it with my flax meal sada roti. I'll link that recipe at the end of the video. Ochroes can be fried in this method without the potatoes. You can also have the fried ochroes and aloo with dal and rice. So you see how quick and easy it is to make fried okra and aloo, as we say in Trinidad, or fried okra and potato. It's really a lovely breakfast. You can even have this for dinner. And if you're a vegetarian, you can, like me, you can have it any time of the day. So I really enjoy this. This is one of my favorite foods, and hence the reason I made the recipe to share with you guys. Happy breakfast if you're enjoying breakfast or whatever time it is in your country. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And of course, check out the other videos on my YouTube channel, Chilling with H. And recommend me to your friends too now. See you later, guys.